Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. It's going to be your daily love reading, Scorpios. Let's see what's coming up. I'm going to pick 3 cards from this deck, guys. Karma, okay. Unfoldment. Reflection. Okay, guys. So, Scorpios, with these cards, I feel you're going through some kind of karmic situation, guys. Okay, all of us go through phases of struggles and happiness. Okay, it's based on our past lives. Okay, so in universe guides us through these cycles. So through them we learn, we mold ourselves, okay, through this karmic cycle. So something new is coming into your what to say, you're developing your new kind of maybe unfoldment, spiritual unfoldment. Okay, you're growing. At the same time, you need just as growth is necessary, um, rest is also necessary, guys. So you need time to relax, think over and reflect um, at the past incidents. Okay, what has happened, and learn from them, learn the lessons from them. Okay, Scorpios, so that is the energy I'm getting here. So the situation now is a karmic cycle, guys. Okay, and it helps you to choose, um, to make your choice between your fate and destiny. When you reflect on yourself, okay, what has happened, you will clearly get a view of your solution. Okay, instead of accepting or just trusting the flow, okay, for things to unfold, you can change your future. Okay, if you're committed to it, if you know the solution in your heart of hearts, if you know what to do, okay, you can manifest those things, guys. So that is the energy I'm getting here, and patience and stillness are required to reflect and get the solution. So you need time to relax, Scorpios. You need time to relax yourself. Maybe you can do meditation, spend some quality time alone. Okay, so reflect on yourself. When you do that, you will surely find the solution. So let me pick out 3 more cards, okay, guys, to give you more clarity. Happiness, faith, compassion. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Today you may feel helpless. Okay, you may not know what to do. Okay, sometimes your situation seems impossible. Okay, but today is the day you have to have trust in yourself, guys, faith in yourself. Okay, in any situation, when we are calm and still, Okay, our inner voice speaks. We will know in our heart of hearts, okay, what to do, okay, what action to do, okay, and there's no need to fear. If your intuition guides you, you can do that, okay, guys. And there is no harm in helping others, okay, being friendly and helping people with a not just with money, but maybe spending time with friends, okay, even motivating unknown people, okay, um, and counseling people to solve their problems, okay, and it will always help you to heal emotionally, and it will bring you great happiness, guys, Scorpios. So that is the energy I'm getting here. So these cards tell me you need time to be quiet, okay, reflect on yourself. There's some great transformation happening with yourself, within yourself, okay, and you have to have trust in yourself, guys, for this transformation to happen and root in yourself, okay. So that is the energy I'm getting, Scorpios. Let me pick out 3 cards. This is the love message from your person, guys. This is what your person feels about you, or what you feel about your person. Let's see what's coming up. From today, I'll be giving out a slogan, guys, at the end of the reading, okay. uh, you can repeat it every day when you wake up, okay. It can be as a happy intention for the day, okay. It will help you to unfold yourself, okay, achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life, okay, and it will automatically guide you on the peaceful path. So I'll be giving out the slogan at the end of the reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up. You're dedicated in this relationship. You're very forgiving. You make me feel I'm worth something, okay. Your person feels you're committed, okay. You work in your relationship, you make your relationship work, okay, and you're a very friendly, compassionate person, and you encourage them in everything they do, okay, and you make them feel what to say, very good, okay. You make them feel very good in their relation when they are with you, and they love you a lot, guys. That is the energy I'm getting here. They see you as a complete person. When you know someone who has a loving heart, who can forgive others' mistakes, it just shows how compassionate they are towards everybody. So Scorpios, this is the energy your person is getting from you, okay. So overall, it's a day for you to relax, guys. Maybe spend time with your partner, maybe spend time with your friends. Have some time for yourself to think over about your choices, what you have to make, okay, and have faith in yourself, guys. uh, you will always know in your heart what you have to do, and have faith and courage to take the first step, okay, to make it happen, guys, to make whatever you wish for to happen, okay. Everything unfolds in its own pace, so you need patience to wait for the happy things to come. So all that is good takes time to manifest, guys, so you need patience to wait, till whatever you wish for manifest. Okay, and just as I said, the slogan for your happy intention today is be as you are. Okay, be as you are, be as you are. You can repeat it just once and think of it, okay, deeply, and you can remain quiet for a few minutes. Okay, it will help you greatly, guys. So thanks for watching, Scorpios. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.